guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a seafood mukbang, and then I made an anything sauce, like anything that you can find in your pantry, guys. I added it in there. Doesn't matter whatever suits your taste buds. So how's everyone going? I just thought I feel like a seafood today, and this is what I put together, guys. I boiled corn, eggs, potatoes, peas, mussels, and king crab. Yeah, so time to get a prayer going and then eat time. Yeah, okay. Faye, go. Yeah, I put this high up so you guys can see it, and here's my sauce. I'll put it right here. So I will start with a potato. How's everyone? Anyway, gotta get this going. I'll put the sauce right here. I'll get an egg. I want to give you guys a bite. Did you know how it is? We shout. I put heaps of garlic in my sauce. It's always beautiful to add egg. Well guys, and my drink is orange cordial with cake and water. So cheers guys. Taste the corn here. So how's everyone? What have you got for dinner there? I didn't get the green lip mussel, guys. With my shopping time was like in a rush, so I just grabbed some from Woolies. I think I got about 8 eggs. You know why? Because I love it. I love it in a seafood boil. When you just eat it normally, not. It's alright with like make egg sandwich. We'll be going to play poker after this. Well, I always lose money, but I still go just for the fun. Yeah, I wanted to talk about that that poor kid in Melbourne that got stabbed. Unfortunately, he lost his life. I don't know exactly what happened, but they say on TV it was about stuff over the internet. And I think to myself, far out, just over words, eh? Just over words. The people that did it, they're only young, eh? Their brain hasn't fully developed yet. when common sense kicks in, they will really ruin, you know, their life, you know. But I just, you know, I feel sorry for the parents of Solomon that passed away. So sad. You know? But we have to teach our kids at home. That's where it starts from. The teaching starts from home. We can't rely on the teachers. The teachers, they're there to educate our children, you know. But the meaningful teaching comes from home. Like I said to my son today, when I was making my board up, he was outside talking with me, and while he's listening to his rap. And I was saying to him, Noah. That's how I said it. I said, Noah, don't get up to no good, son. You know, the kids out there, they're somebody's kids. I don't want to hear anything that you're out there hurting other people's kids, okay? Or anybody. And I said, I will fuss with you, okay? Yeah, I will fuss with him. I will hurt my feelings. They can't go out there and do stupid things like that, you know? Whenever you have this, it's always like dribbles everywhere, eh? That's why I walked dark today. I thought, I don't want to ruin any of my nice offals. I turned off my phone. Oh look, a garlic. A whole clove of garlic. I love garlic, guys. So do not ask me for kiss, because it'll be garlic. You'll be cutting garlic before you kiss anything. Whoa, that's strong garlic. Eggy. I was making this outside with my burner. Okay, guys, I'm going to give these a go. I really scrubbed it. You have to scrub it real hard. And hang on, wait. I better move this drink because it's going to be chaos. Chaos, I say. Hang on. It's saying more of it. Okay, I better move this drink. I tell you what, I can see this. I can see this flying. Okay. Can you see my facials? Okay. Yan nga. Ali, oo la si Mia. Got my scissors handy. Handy dandy. You know, in America, you can get a whole lot of these, eh? And there's a whole lot of places that make these, right? You just think, oh, so lucky. Why should it restrict us? We can make our own, guys, you know? Look at that. Look at that. You know, just dip it in some sauce and then we got to share, guys. Woo! Yeah, have a bite. That's a fear done. These are massive, massive. I was cleaning it and I couldn't get a lot of the bits off because I was thinking it's probably how long the poor crab was walking around before the big net came and caught them, man. My butter sauce is so lovely, look. Yeah, I'll probably... Red doggy. Okay, the corn and there's another corn. What? Yep. Okay, guys. Round 2. Okay. Okay. I see. You don't want to come, eh? Okay, I'm going to look for you and get you out. Okay. Excuse me. Wait. Like a professional, guys. Yang ada lah, you pas yak wal, well. Okay. Look at that slipping out. Sliding away. Hang on. I see some white stuff. Okay. Nobody wants some white stuff, guys. Yeah. Yeah. See? It's all about the love and sharing. I know, right? You know that dog? That dog out there is jealous of my king crab. The bark sounds like it's coming from over there, but the dog's over there. It's so good, guys. Man, I don't know how big I can do it, because this is enough for me. One. Yes, listen. So good, man. Does my hair look good? I know, and try to comb it sideways like a boy. You know what, if you make your own sauce, as long as it's got a lot of butter, onions, garlic, onion powder, I put in the barbecue seasoning. Yeah. And what else? My mind can't think far. My mind's over here. So good, guys. I wish you were here to have some. Hey, have you guys gone over to see Easter and Yana's channel? Tell you guys, there's someone girls, you know, they crack me up. They crack me up. And they really need help to get to 1,000 guys, and they need 4,000 hours of watch time. I know they'll get there. They'll get there, but they just need their little love and little help. Oh, they crack me up, eh? You know, I tell you what, us poly people, we got so much sense of humor. Yep. We got so much sense of humor. We even have some in suitcases. Just in case, we need a little bit more humor. Did I say suitcases? Guys. Oh. We Polynesians are funny, okay? Right? Yeah. See? I knew you agree with me. See? That's the thing. We have to show them what we got. Our funny side. Don't show them our A-U side. That's never nice. A-U side is not a nice side. So, if you have it, adopt that out, or, you know, like send it in a bin. You don't need the A-U side. Okay, guys? And then there's a Golfaleanga side. Get rid of that too. Throw it in a bin. For you guys that don't know what Golfaleanga means, it means people that go and talk about another person and it's not true. Now, oh, you got a corn. Greedy. Trying to add another corn when I already got corn. Look how small this corn is. Winchy winchy. Tasty though. Yeah. Now people that make up rumors about other people, and it's not true. I can't stand it. No. Oh man, this is so beautiful. And so meaty. You know what? You can eat this, go and relax, and you'll be so happy for hours. I'll be happy for the whole week. So, if you're from Australia and you want to taste some of this, you go and get it from Costco, because they got it. So it's each size and weight comes with different prices. It's got not one price, it's different prices. Mm. So good. Oh, you know, lucky it's got like soft claws, because imagine if it was really hard. You know, arthritis hands, why do we ever get there? You know. You know what? I'm giving it a dirty look like it. Oh, 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 nah, no more dirty look. I love you. I love you, fat loads of salt. Oh well, open up then, gosh. Yeah, getting there. Guys, you know what? Go and get you guys a snack and a drink and be back. By the time you come back, I'm probably halfway trying to get that. Wait. Oh! You know what? Ooh, okay. Stop that. Oh! See, I'm professional hands. If this was beloved, you know, well, never gonna say fuffle. Oh, man. Okay, this is not cute anymore. Get out! Gosh, you're embarrassing me. Oh, ding, 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 ding. Don't play with your food. Stop it. Oh. What a stubborn. Can you fall out, man, like the other one? Like your big brother did? Oh, yeah. Oh, what did they? Oh, you're vulnerable. I'm sorry. You come out then. Come. Ta-da! Oh. Ooh. Oh, it's got a... So it's your fault, huh? I know. Violence to the food. Oh, hey, where did it go? Okay, dip, 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 dip. Man, someone's outside the store. What's going on in there? All that noise, all that yummy voice. Oh. Guys, and this pig. Just so delicious. Bing. Oh. Look, guys. Is this the smallest mussel in the whole world? Look at it. Get your binoculars out. Can you see it? Here it is. Look at it. Ah! It's trying to hide with embarrassment. There. So delicious. It's so delicious, making me want to cry. Ai câu cả lại vậy. À. Yeah, edo. Yeah, sitting cook. Ah, don't want to get hurt, guys. Café ya maliso. When there's a will, there's a way. Come on, out. Oh, see? You can always tell the obedient ones, they listen straight away. But then you get ones like this one. Listen. Listen. Woo. But someone said, I can't believe how much you eat for an hour. You know what? Listen here, buddy. I am 21. Well, you know why I know I'm 21? Because I was 21 last year too. And the year before. So. see if I live. Anyway. So anyway, when I read that I thought, don't you mind? I am 21. For all you guys that don't know, my age, 21. Wink. Oh, there's that blubber. That's what I found out, the blubber. I ain't eating that blubber. It's so good. Garlic. Don't forget. Don't ask me for this. You'll be sorry. You know, guys, I'm not going to torture you guys some more. I'm going to just continue on eating all by my lonesome. And then we got to go play poker. Last time I went to play poker, I lost $200. And then my husband wants some money. And when we got in the car, I said, bring it to me, give him my money. And you should have seen how fast he shot his head. I said, darling, I lost 200. Yeah. But anyway, revenge is come back. Darling. On the way home, darling, I lost 300. Anyway, alright. I'll let you guys go. Okay. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. You know what? Go and tell a friend. Come and hang out with you and watch. Or tell them, watch me from their own house. Then we'll hang out with your friend. Wait a while. Us three, you know. Three of us. Just the three of us. We can make it if we try. Just the three of us. Sorry. Ja, ik eet wat. Ik wil vertellen to amo, to heel wat. Ayo, my kako eva, sis yaso, heel wat. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being all that good stuff. Okay? But don't forget, be good. Be good to your neighbors. Don't steal anything that don't belong to you. Because I always believe that karma will come and bite you. Bite you when you're not looking. Bite you when you're not expecting it. Bite you real hard. Until you scream. So, do good to others. Hey, I've adopted this saying. You know, when you buy something, you know, from the shop or something, the guy said, buy nice or buy twice. Means, don't buy rubbish, it's only going to break, then you have to go buy another one. So buy quality and use it for ever and ever. I think someone's trying to come through my door. I'm not idea. Oh, that's so good. Oh. Now that I'm in a happy mood because I ate all this beautiful food, I hope it carries on and I win some money. Alright, y'all. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. I'd have to edit this when I come back from poker. No time to edit it now because it's nearly 700 o'clock. Very well. So, for all you lovely people that hung out this far, thank you so much. That's loyalty, guys. Loyalty. And those that went out halfway, you know what? Ring me and talk to me later, cause we'll put all the wooden spoon that you were going to get fussy with, eh? Yeah, you lot. Thanks for hanging out. God bless you guys. God bless you always. Anything that's in your heart, that's really, you know, you want someone to help you. The only one helper that can ever help you is God. Okay? That's the true helper, and he's really loving, guys. So don't forget, pray and ask God just to give you that little helping hand. Wait a while. Hey, all right. You know, when I sit like this, I'm getting to no, I'm getting to so forth.